So, you're planning a trip to Koh Samui? Buckle up, Buttercup. First stop, the airport. Yes, it's an island, but no, you won't need a boat, unless you're into that sort of thing. Beaches. Oh, we've got beaches. Cha Wang for the party animals, Lamai for the chill vibes, and Mainam Beach for the I need a break from people moments. Feeling adventurous? How about snorkeling with fish who have better fashion sense than you? Or maybe a jungle trek. Just watch out for the monkeys. They're better pickpockets than your sneaky little brother. Don't forget the culture. Temples, local markets, and traditional villages. It's like stepping into a postcard, but with more sweat. Hungry? Try the street food. It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth, minus the actual explosions. When the sun sets, the nightlife comes alive. Beach bars, clubs, and night markets. Just don't dance like your dad, please. From eco-lodges to luxury resorts, there's a place for every budget. Just remember, the more you save on rooms, the more you can spend on tacky souvenirs. And hey, let's keep it green. Sustainable tourism is the way to go. Leave only footprints, take only memories, and maybe a few selfies. Ready for your quirky Koh Samui adventure? Book now at tripnatic.com.